Hi everyone, let's start with the next question of the TLE CP sheet. The question basically says is, you are given a string x of length n and a string s of length m, and n multiplied by m is less than or equal to 25, right? Consisting of lowercase Latin letters. You can apply the number of operations on to the string x. In one operation, you append the current value of x to the end of the string x, means x becomes twice each time, right? Note that the value of x will change after this. For example, if x is equal to ABA, then after applying the operation 1, it will become ABA to ABA and ABA, then again it will become twice of its length, right? ABA, ABA, then again ABA and ABA, right? So it finally becomes 2 to the power 2 times, matlab 4 times, right? 4 times of the initial length. After what minimum number of operations s will appear in x as a substring, right? A substring of a string is defined as a contiguous segment of it. Means the question basically says is, if s is equals to ab a and x is equals to ab, then in how many operations s will become a substring of x. That means each time you will double the length of x, means it will become ABAB, and you can find the pattern ABA here. So in the simple question, you have to check if s is a substring of x after how many number of operations, right? In each operation, let's suppose this one, the first test case, right? So x is a and s is 5 times a, right? So in one operation x becomes aa, and in the second one it becomes aa 4 times a, and in the third operation it becomes aa and again aa, right? So the number of operations is 1, 2 and 3. So the output is also 3. But you can see in this case the x is ABA and the s is ABA. So if we do it like ABA and ABA, it exceeds the size of the s, right? But it is unable to contain s as a substring. So we will check until x, the length of x becomes equal to or less than s, and if s is being the substring of x or not, right? So each times means we have to do the operations like in the worst case, what we can see, the length of x is n and m should be less than or equal to 25. So in the worst case, for the maximum operations, so n will be 1 and m will be 25, so their multiplication will be 25. So in each iteration n will becomes twice of the previous value. So let's solve it. 2 to the power x is equals to, it will be 2 to the power x will be greater than equal to 25, right? So the value of x will become 5, right? As 2 to the power 5 is greater than equal to 25, right? It is raised to. So we will form a loop from 0 to less than 6, and we will check in each operation, after each operation, if s is becoming the substring of x, right? So it is a simple question. Let's code it. So let's start it. So we will take input of n and m, the length of x and s respectively. Then we will take input of x and s. Then we will check, we will take a flag to check if it is present or not. Then in a for loop, we will run it from 0 to 5. So I am giving it less than 6, and I will check if in x s is present or not, right? So if it is present, then it will be not equal to become the string in pause. So if it is present, then its value will not become to npos. So in this case, we will put true in flag and will print the value of I because it is the iteration count, and we will simply break. And in each loop, we will increase the length of x by its value itself, means it will become twice. So after that, if the flag is false, not false, then we will print -1, then endl, right? So it is the code. Let's check it. So in Codeforces, I will check the code. Let's take the input from the Codeforces itself. So the output is similar like the what in the Codeforces output. So this was the simple code for this question, and with this we have solved 7 questions of the TLE CP sheet. Meet you in the next video. Bye.